So I'm going to show you how to update all the apps on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. So first, you can go to the Google Play Store, and in the Google Play Store, just tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and then select Manage Apps and Device. Now on this page, you want to go to Updates Available, tap on that, and you can see all the apps that have pending updates. So what you need to do is simply tap on Update All, and all the apps are going to get downloaded. All the apps are going to get updated. You can also do the same on the Samsung Galaxy Store. So if you have some apps from the Galaxy Store, it's the same process. Just launch the Galaxy Store, and then you want to go to the menu on the left hand side, select Updates, and then you'll see a list of all the apps that have pending updates, and then you can tap on Update All, and that's going to update all your apps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.